In this video, I will teach you how to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled in a quick and easy way. Before we get into the process, let me quickly discuss several reasons why your Snapchat login got temporarily disabled. It may be because Snapchat detects unusual or suspicious activity on your account, such as multiple failed login attempts, or Snapchat detects that your account has been compromised or hacked, or if you have violated Snapchat's community guidelines, or it may be because the app is currently under maintenance or experiencing technical issues, or you have unstable internet connection, or your account is bound to be created by someone underage. Now, if you're experiencing this issue, then here are some steps you can try to resolve it. First, check your internet connection. You can try to connect to a different network or use a mobile data to see if the issue persists. Second, just be patient and try again later. Wait for some time, and attempting to log in later can often resolve the problem. Third, if you're using an Android, then you can try to clear the cache and data of the Snapchat app. Fourth is to uninstall and install the app. Especially if clearing the cache didn't fix the issue, uninstall and reinstalling the app can help resolve any potential app related issue. If you already tried these steps and still getting the same error message, then I highly suggest to reach out to Snapchat support team for further assistance. Just type in Snapchat customer support on your mobile browser and tap on the contact us button.
Comment down below if you have any other questions and I will do my best to help you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.